The 5 p.m. area weather observations. At Norfolk, mostly sunny. Temperature 75, dew point 55, relative humidity 49%. Wind north 9 miles an hour. Pressure 30.12 inches and steady. At Newport News, partly sunny. Temperature 76, dew point 47, relative humidity 35%. Wind north 8 miles an hour. Pressure 30.13 inches and steady. Across the rest of Hampton Roads and in eastern North Carolina, Langley, partly sunny and 76. Virginia Beach, partly sunny and 75. Wind north 12 miles an hour. Suffolk, mostly sunny and 73. Elizabeth City, partly sunny and 79. Wind northeast 10 miles an hour. Edenton, partly sunny and 75. Cape Hatteras, mostly sunny and 75. Wind northeast 12 miles an hour, gusting to 21. Regional observations: Wallops Island, sunny and 77. Washington, D.C., cloudy and 76. Richmond, partly sunny and 77. Wakefield, mostly sunny and 77. Manteo, temperature 73. Wind north 9